Great Lakes region of Africa, for example, the cancer of violent ethnic extremism and genocide ideology has once again reemerged. Communities continue to be targeted for who they are, how they look, or even which language they speak, which is a grim reminder of the horrors witnessed during the 1994 genocide against the Tutsis in Rwanda. In Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo, hate speech, persecution, lynching, and even acts of cannibalism against Congolese Tutsi have become distressingly commonplace. These government-sponsored crimes against humanity are witnessed throughout the DRC. In South Kivu, Tutsi communities known as the Banyamulenge are bombed in Minembwe by government forces and are subject to unprecedented persecutions in different cities such as Uvira. In Bujumbura, Burundi, they are even rounded up like in the old days and taken to a known destination. In Kinshasa, Congolese Tutsi and even Swahili speakers are persecuted and lynched in broad daylight, while in Ituri, up north, far away from the Rwanda's border, the Hema ethnic group is being slaughtered by the Codeco militia allied to the DRC government and the Islamic State-backed ADF in total impunity. Kinshasa's reckless ethnic politics has created a fertile ground for systematic human rights abuses. Armed groups, including the FDLR, genocidal militia, and the Wazalendo, often bolstered by the complicity of Burundian forces, have perpetrated grave violations against Congolese Tutsi and other vulnerable communities. Under the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, all rights and all human beings are equal. Yet, a double standard is evident in the treatment of Tutsi communities in Congo. How can this council remain silent in the face of such injustice? Excellencies, in light of this worrying situation, Rwanda calls on the Human Rights Council to take immediate and decisive action to halt these persecutions. The suffering of these people cannot be tolerated any longer. Ethnic politics has no place in our region. As its name indicates, we hope that the recently established fact-finding mission on DRC will conduct impartial investigations into these abuses based on facts, the abuses which are currently being politicized by the DRC government with the support of countries and organizations holding vested interests in the region.